So there is a new feature in Canva that lets you change the background of a picture, and the result looks very convincing. And of course, it is using AI to isolate the subject and then change the background. And what's unique about this new feature is that it is even better than, just removing the background and then adding a picture behind the subject, because it will actually adjust the lighting. You can choose to make the lighting of the subject to be more adaptive and therefore more realistic to the new background. So this is the one example that I just created a moment ago, where there is a pair of cups and they just sitting there without any interesting background, and then I put a Christmas theme behind the subject, and I think it looks more attractive. So let me show you how you can use this new feature in Canva. Alright, I'm going to add a new page, and here let's navigate to elements. I'm going to put this photo, and by the way, of course, you can always use your own photo. You can upload and then drag and drop the photo into the canvas area. And then here I'm going to make this background, or sorry, this photo a bit bigger, and let me just copy this first, because I want to compare it. Sorry about that, that's not what I meant. All right, let me just copy and then just paste so we can compare before and after. All right, so this is the original and this is the one that I'm going to modify. So click on the image and then click edit, and you see here that there is a new background generator. You can click on it and you can type the scene or the kind of background that you want to have. Honestly, I have no idea, so I guess I'm going to be using the Inspire Me feature, which will randomly generate some background. And let's click generate. By default, Canva will generate up to 4 different images, and you can choose the one that I think look the best. And I think the generation is very quick. I don't know which model that is being used, but I believe it is probably more like, maybe Flux or Imagen, or maybe even Recraft. I don't know. Basically, it's pretty good. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 different options, and honestly, I don't know which one that I want to use because they all look amazing. But I guess I'm gonna go with this option. I think it looks more dramatic. And here's what unique about this new background generator. You see there is this button and you can click on it, and it allows you to choose the lighting of the subject. So there is none by default. It is not going to apply any lighting. You can change the tone to be more balanced, or you can make it to be maximum relight. So it's going to be like this person is exactly in that location, and just look at that. And I think it looks really amazing. This is the original, and then this is the maximum relight. I think it looks more realistic and more convincing. So yeah, you can see that it's almost like this was the original picture. And I think it's really amazing that we have this background generator in Canva that gets better and better. So yeah, that's how you can change a background of a photo using Canva's new AI. If you find this video to be useful, or if you want to see more tutorial videos or interesting videos about AI tools, then subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.